Welcome. If you've been missing Snapchat notifications because they're set to silent, don't worry. This quick update will show you exactly how to turn those silent notifications into alerts on your Android device. Sometimes Snapchat notifications come through quietly, meaning no sound or pop-up, which makes it easy to miss important messages or snaps. The good news is that you can easily change this setting in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls are located. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications. Once you're in the Apps section, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open all the settings related to the Snapchat app. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification settings available for Snapchat. After that, tap on Notification Categories. This is where you can control different types of notifications separately. Look for Silent Notifications under the General section and tap on it. This category is usually responsible for notifications that come in without sound or alerts. Now, you'll see an option labeled Silent. Change this setting by selecting Alert instead. This will make sure that your Snapchat notifications are no longer silent and will actively notify you with sound or pop-ups depending on your device settings. And that's it. From now on, you won't miss important Snapchat messages or updates. If this helped you, feel free to check out more quick tips to get the most out of your apps and phone settings.